Figures of speech. Figures of speech are special ways of using words to make the language more expressive. They add color, depth, and meaning to what we say or write. Simile. A simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things using the words like or as. Example, her smile was as bright as the sun. Here is another example from a Red Rose by Robert Burns, written in 1794. Oh, my looves like a red, red rose that's newly sprung in June. Oh, my looves like the melody that sweetly played in tune. Metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that directly compares two different things by saying one is the other, without using like or as. Example, time is a thief that steals our moments. Here is an example from Hope is the Thing with Feathers by Emily Dickinson, written in 1861. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. Personification. Personification is a figure of speech where human characteristics are given to non-human objects, animals, or ideas. Example, the wind whispered through the trees. Here is an example from I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud by William Wordsworth, written in 1807. When all at once I saw a crowd, a host, of golden daffodils, beside the lake beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Hyperbole. Hyperbole is an exaggerated statement that is not meant to be taken literally, used for emphasis or humorous effect. Example, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Here is an example from To His Coy Mistress by Andrew Marvell, written in 1681. Love you 10 years before the flood, and you should, if you please, refuse till the conversion of the Jews. My vegetable love should grow vaster than empires, and more slow. Alliteration. Alliteration is the repetition of the same consonant sounds at the beginning of words that are close together in a sentence or phrase. Example, she sells seashells by the seashore. Here is an example from the Rime of the Ancient Mariner by Samuel Taylor Coleridge, written in 1798. The fair breeze blew, the white foam flew, the furrow followed free. We were the first that ever burst into that silent sea. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is a figure of speech where the word imitates the natural sound of a thing. Example, the bees buzzed in the garden. Here is an example from The Bells by Edgar Allan Poe, written in 1849. How they tinkle, tinkle, tinkle in the icy air of night, while the stars that oversprinkle all the heavens seem to twinkle.